Okay, well that was weird. Alright, we're back, and we're back in the sewers too. Yay. I know you're eager to get back home, buddy. Wrong.
So I got a question. Sewers stink, right, buddy? And yet, there's all these superheroes and mutants living in them. So that means when they show up to save you from being mugged or whatever, they fully stink of piss and shit. Then you have to stand there thanking them, puffing up the turd smells for like 5 minutes. Honestly, I think I'd rather give the mugger my fanny pack.
You know, you got a point. They never show that on, you know, like Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles, because where do they live? The sewers. What do they possibly reek of? Shit.
10 points to me! Sick 'em, boy.
Get him, buddy. Good boy, buddy. Here.
Sit.
Oh, I can make you sit. Hey, you can eat it! Oh, you have health too. Come on, buddy. Security notice. Graffiti.
Buddy, as we wander these shit-stained tunnels together, I've become increasingly fixated on a thought, a notion. I proposed that you and I do a Freaky Friday body swap. You'd have thumbs, which are great, by the way, so you could open your own cans of dog food anytime you want. And me? I could stick my nose up people's asses without my brother-in-law calling the police.
Am I gay? Like,
I'm not a scientist, but I think if we drive at 88 miles per hour while we pee in the same fountain, physics dictates we swap. So, let's complete our current mission first, but then let's talk about getting a swap going here.
okay. Your topics. Okay, I guess I'm full.
Aren't I lucky?
Is this like the assault rifle from Fallout 4? It kind of is. It just needs to be bulkier right here and have a drum mag. I'll try it out. Ooh, sickle. Right nearby, bud? Yep. Here, Freddy. Oop. I know to grab the weapon. Hold on. That's the magazine.
Alright, way to go, buddy.
Yeah, I see you. Wow. I'm here. We've been in how many sewers now? 3? Almost 3?
Alright.
Oh, hey, shotgun. Which I need all of a sudden. Holy shit.
Oh,
Okay, I'm checking this in the sewer.
Where's the ammo fairy when I need it?
Brutus, buddy. Double
go
time.
get him!
Double time, buddy. Get him.
Running low on ammo.
We're good.
Where's the ammo fairy when I need her?
She's pooping somewhere, so we just gotta follow the toilet.
You know, this is probably the cleanest the sewers have been in years because Freddy's just do all their piss and poos in their pants.
Oh yeah, I didn't realize that. Like, wait, when you turn into a zombie, do you void your bowels? Probably because you're dead.
next time, Fred.
Can't see anything. Is this a... It's another delirious mask. Buddy, can you... Buddy. Dog-lirious. You look so stupid with that on. Because your ears are folded. Hello? Didn't I just... Yeah, that's where I just was. Hey.
Better luck next time, Fred.
Oh, shit.
Okay, go.
Ow.
Buddy, for the win.
Son of a... Buddy.
Sick 'em, boy.
Alright, I know what I gotta do.
Oh, my Lanta. Where's the ammo fairy when I need it?
Good job, buddy. Okay, I guess we gotta go over there somehow. I don't like how we have to go in there. Also, these are some big sewers.
I don't know about you, buddy, but my feet are killing me. But we got a mission. We got a purpose. It's a good situation to be in. Oh, we gotta find those army guys. We just gotta keep heading north.
I don't even know where north is anymore. Also, how are cactuses growing down here? Well, I guess they can survive in any condition. And aloe vera plants.
You make a good point, buddy.
Is this the end of another level
Maybe
already?
we should bed down for a little while.
Alright, well, that's another...
What do you say we take a load off, huh, buddy? I don't think we'll find a spot more beautiful than this.
Already laid down.
Soak it up.
Okay, well, that's another sewer episode. So I hope you enjoyed it.